Actually na hindi po ito part nung RA, pero tanong din po ito ng mga teachers dun sa wellness leave. Of course, nakita po namin yung good news na talagang kasama yung mga teachers natin eligible for wellness leave. Kaya lang po, since nandito na si Yusek Cabral, Mr. Chair, gusto ko pong itanong kasi ang nakalagay po dun sa provision, dapat merong relieving teacher. So, ang sinasabi po ng ating mga teacher, paano naman po yung mga magsa-substitute, hahandle ng mga klase while yung teacher ay naka-wellness leave, no? Baka po pwedeng maglagay ng isang provision regarding OT pay or service credit, of course. Salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Yusek Willie. Okay, all right. And then yung wellness, yung ano?
Yung wellness leave po, naglabas na tayo ng department order covered on teachers. They can use the 5 days. They can have a leave of 3 consecutives days. Hindi nila pwedeng gamitin yung 1:5. But ang concern ni Ma'am Ruby has something to do dun sa relieving. Hindi po siya nakasulat dun sa department order ng wellness kasi meron tayong existing policy under DO5 of 2024 na nagsasabi na kapag ang teachers ay nag-relieve sa isang absent na teacher, may bayad siya na teaching overload pay. Kung wala nang pera for the teaching overload pay, service credit po ang ating gagamitin. I think we did not mention that in the department order because there is also already a policy that has been implemented for 2 years ago na basta relieving at more than the prescribed number of hours or actual number of teaching duties, entitled na sa teaching overload pay or vacation service credits.
Yusek Willie, Ma'am Ruby? Okay na?
Last na, sir. Ano po, ang sinasabi po kasi ng mga, nakita ko si Sir Roland tumitingin sa akin. Sinasabi po kasi ng mga teachers, parang sinasabi daw po ng principal na hindi kami pwedeng mag-avail ng wellness leave kung walang magsasubstitute sa amin o magre-reliever teacher. Ang maghahanap po ba si teacher o yung principal?
Sinabi po natin, Mr. Chair, na trabaho ng principal yon. Hindi kaya nga magwe-wellness yung teacher, paano siya magiging well kung siya pa ang maghahanap ng babalit sa kanya? That's why we're saying that the principal should really look for someone. But baka lang magkaroon tayo, Ma'am Ruby, Mr. Chair, ng konting flexibility on that. Kasi may masasagasa ang bata pag nag-wellness leave si teacher. So, we need to strike a balance to all of those na nakapag-wellness si teacher pero hindi naman natamaan yung learning ng bata.
In other words, talagang yung primary responsibility is with the principal, pero we are asking the teachers for some understanding